Welcome to our Rec Center app. So you start with the home screen, which is also the availability screen, and you can slide this calendar to see all the times throughout the day. There's also, to change the date, you select this and you get a pop-up with the month on it to select different days. To change for different areas of the rec center, there's a spinner here which will display the pool, fitness, and gymnasium areas. From there, if you want to book a class, you can select one of these spaces and it will be shadowed or highlighted to show it's been selected, and then you can press the book button, which will then start the intent for the booking page.
And on the booking page, it'll list the date you selected, the time you selected, the area you've selected. There'll also be a checkbox for renting equipment, and if you tap that, it will show all the spinners for selecting your equipment to rent depending on the area you've selected. So for tennis court, you have rackets, balls, and shoes, and then you can either hit next or cancel. So if you hit next, you'll then be in confirmation, which lists all the info again, along with whether you're renting the equipment and which equipment you've chosen to rent. And then when you hit finish, it'll take you to your preferred notification method: SMS, email, app notification. You can select one or all of them or none. And then you can also share this booking, which will take you to a separate screen, which will allow you to select from your contacts who you'd like to share with. And then you select book to confirm the booking.
For booking a trainer or a session with a trainer, the trainer page will first give you a list of all the available trainers at the rec center. It'll give you their name and just a brief description and a photo. And then upon tapping the trainer that you want, it'll take you to this page, and this gives you just a closer overview of what they are, what their specializations are, so if they're more suited for you. And then you just tap the book button, and then here you can enter in kind of like your membership IDs and stuff, so your full name and ID. And then booking the time, you can select the day, and this would just be a spinner, and it's for the week, so you'd get a list of the days, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you could select whichever one works for you. And then for the time, it'll give you a list of times here that'll drop down which they're available, and then there's also an AM PM option as well that you can select here. It also gives a notification saying notice all classes are 50 minutes in length, just to not confuse the user and just so that they can get a time that really works for them. And then you go next, and it takes you to the confirm booking page. So it kind of tells the user you are going to be booked with, and then the trainer's name at the particular date and time, and also lets them know that they can view and edit and cancel this booking later. So they can go back if they wish, and that will take them back to this and edit it now, or they can just hit confirm now. So upon doing that, it'll take them to the reservations page, and here it'll show their reservations, so spaces, trainers, equipment, and also will show you their reservations for the trainer. So here's the session that we kind of just booked, and here you can cancel it or edit it. So if I hit cancel, a notification will pop up just assuring that the user really wants to cancel it, and they can hit no or yes. If they hit yes, then this would obviously be deleted. And then furthermore, they can also edit this reservation. So upon tapping that, they will get an idea of the trainer, that the session that they're editing, and it'll give the date. And then here they can edit the date and time accordingly to what they want, and hit confirm. And that's the trainer booking section.
Onto the fitness class booking. So you'll get this first screen here, which just asks you to enter your name and member ID and choose your fitness class below from the spinner. So whenever you click on your spinner, click on there. The spinner will pop down, and you choose your class. So for right now, we're gonna choose CrossFit. So click down there. Move to the side. CrossFit will come in there. And also, since you fill in your name and your membership ID in, both of them are text boxes, you can just fill them in right there. Then you got your back to menu button, will just take you back to the main menu. Then your next button, so when you click next, it'll take you to this next screen here. It'll just tell you at the top that you selected CrossFit just to make sure. And in this screen, you'll be choosing your day and time of the class that you want to attend. So you got your 3 spinners here, or I guess scroll bro things right here. You can just scroll these up and down to just choose the day. So we choose Thursday the 12th. And also you can choose your month, so March and April and all that. You also have time, which is AM, PM. And they're going by like increments of 3 hours. And then also down here it just tells you notice that all classes will last 1.5 hours from the selected time. And also just gives you a back button, just go back to fill your information. And also gives you a next button, so you click next. So this takes you to a review your booking screen, just more of a confirmation screen. And if you look at up the top here, it just tells you your name, member ID, fitness class that you selected, and the time that you selected for that class. And also the facility to go to as well. And also thing here, if you messed up anything from behind there, you can click edit booking and the screen will turn into this here. And it will just give you the option to change your fitness class and select a date time, since the name and member ID shouldn't change. And also it's just again another spinner. You can just choose, say, Pilates class this time. Come on like that. Then you can select your date and time. Say that we change it to Friday 13th. And change it to 9 p.m. Then it just, once you select your selected date and your class, it will show you the time, the facility that will be held in. Then from there, you can cancel this edit, or you can just confirm that. So say that we confirm it. Then your new screen will look like this. It will tell you that you selected Pilates. You changed it to Friday the 13th at 9 a.m. And what facility to go to. And once you're done booking, a pop-up will show up. You just say you're booked now. It will take you back to the menu.